This is Amit Sharma and Gagan Bindra from Century 21 and Affinity Stanhope Gardens. We are presenting you number 75 River Oak Circuit, Kellyville.
Hi guys, welcome to 75 River Oak Circuit, Kellyville. This is an ex-display home and it is located in one of the best street of Kellyville. This house is a luxury house and full of entertainment. This house features few entertainment areas, 2 al fresco areas and 5 bedrooms. Guys, you're gonna love this house. We welcome you to this house. Hi guys, thank you very much for your time to look at this beautiful house.
We'll look forward to see you at the open homes, and this property goes on auction on 27th of April at 12 p.m. Thank you guys.
Thank you very much.